Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Dipannita. Today in this video, we will learn how to make school project balloon car for science exhibition. So let's get started. For making a balloon car, materials required are balloon. Second things that we need is a piece of cardboard. A coloring paper for decoration, it's optional. Next thing is 3 straws, 2 metal wires or thin wooden sticks. I am using metal wires. You can also use thin wooden sticks. Next thing that we need is 4 bottle caps, scissors and sellotape, and a small rubber band, or you can use thread. But I am using thread. First take this piece of cardboard and cover it with coloring paper. It's optional. Then turn over this cardboard and stick these 2 straws with the help of sellotape. Note that these straws must be equal to the size of the cardboard. The next thing that we have to do is to make a small hole in the middle of all 4 caps. Now slowly put the caps at one end of metal wire. Then slowly put the metal wires inside the straw and put another cap at this end. In the same way, I have done the another side. Now slowly bend the end of this wire and put a sellotape. Now here I have used color paper for decorating the wheels. I have made small flowers and stick them with the help of sellotape. It's your choice. It's optional. Now let's check it is moving smoothly. Here my cardboard car is moving smoothly. Now let's move to next point. Now tie this balloon at the end of the straw with rubber band or thread. I am tying this balloon with thread. Now attach this straw to the cardboard with sellotape. Now blow the balloon from the end of the straw and leave it. The balloon car will start moving. Hooray! Our balloon car is ready. Now play and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.